Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage leaves paper. First, select several large, fresh cabbage leaves, ensuring they are free from blemishes. You'll also need a blender, a large bowl, a fine mesh screen, and some water. Prepare your workspace by laying down newspaper or a protective sheet to catch any spills. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fun and creative project. Now let's create the pulp. Tear your cabbage leaves into small, manageable pieces, roughly 1 to 2 inches in size. Place these pieces into your blender. For every 2 cups of cabbage, add about 1 cup of water. Blend the mixture on high until it achieves a smooth, oatmeal-like consistency. This step is crucial for forming strong, even paper sheets. With your pulp ready, it's time to form the paper. Submerge your fine mesh screen into the pulp mixture, ensuring an even layer of pulp settles on its surface. Slowly lift the screen, letting the excess water drain back into the bowl. Once most of the water has dripped away, carefully invert the screen onto a clean, absorbent cloth or a piece of felt. Press gently to release the pulp. Finally, the drying process. Leave your newly formed paper sheets on the absorbent surface to air dry completely. This can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, depending on humidity. Once fully dry, you can place the paper under a stack of heavy books for a few days to ensure it becomes perfectly flat and smooth. Congratulations! Your beautiful, eco-friendly cabbage leaf paper is now ready for your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.